What's good, well builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth of himself, back again with another video. And today I got another special video for you. It's another review video, product review video. It's one of my favorite products I've been using for the past, let's say about 2 to 3 weeks. Really love it, man. It's this beard kit. Nah, man. I want to break down the beard kit, show you what we do, how beautiful it is, and maybe you want to go ahead and get it too. But before we get into all that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
All right, so as you can see, I got a beard, right? Got a beard. Beard get rough. My wife always say, man, your beard is scratchy, your beard is this, your beard is that. When I be, kissing on her and doing all that stuff, right? So I finally went ahead and bought a nice little beard kit for my wife, you know what I mean? Cause she likes, a soft beard, and ladies like the soft beard, right? I know dudes be like, man, I don't really care about that, but you want your beard to be soft, you want the ladies to love you, love the beard and all that good stuff, then I want you to check out this, what we call the Shea Moisture Men, all right? It's called Shea Moisture Men. Now, Shea Moisture Men is a maracuja oil and shea butter beard kit, okay? Now, what does it have in it, right? What doesn't have it? What, right? This is a whole box. All you see is a stupid box, right? Well, got the beard conditioning oil, beard wash, full beard detangler, and beard balm. Okay, so now, what I like the most about this is that it has shea butter in it. I love the packaging, okay? Nice and neat. You can see that? See that? Nice and neat, you know what I'm saying? Right, so what I use the most is the beard conditioning oil. All right, so I like to have my joints soft. You know what I'm saying? I put on right before I go to bed. So every night I just, put a little bit on my hand, put it in my beard, brush my beard, go to bed, right? It's very simple, okay? So my beard is not super thick or super long, so I don't really use a lot of the other stuff like all the time. I do use the beard wash. I do wash my beard, okay? Because I just want to make sure that any dead skin or anything like that that's inside my beard or inside, because I haven't shaved my beard off in so long, you know what I'm saying? So I want to make sure the skin is under there is being treated and being treated nicely, you know what I'm saying? Then we got the full beard detangler, right? I don't use this, but I'm pretty sure it's great, okay? Smells great. Okay, nice and good. So that's just one part of it I don't use. But I do use the balm, okay? Let me show you inside the balm real quick, right? Don't mess up the box, like that. So, look at that, you know what I'm saying? I don't see if you can see it on the camera. It smells good. Okay, you use the balm. Okay, so you wash and dry beard. Warm a small amount between fingers and rub into beard to condition, massage and style. Okay, apply more as needed. Know what I'm saying? So it's good. You put it in your beard, you know what I'm saying? Especially if you have a long beard, it's really good, But it keeps the beard soft, Great packaging. All right, I keep everything in the package because it's so nice and neatly put together. You know what I'm saying? I like neat packaging. So yeah, this is my review. I really like it. Especially if you have a long beard. I think this is a great item for you, my friend. And any females that are watching this or males that's watching this that want to buy this for someone that they know has a nice beard and they want to take good care of it, or something to that effect, then hook them up. Click the link below. Go ahead and check it out. It's down below. All right, it's the first link. All right. I mean, shea butter. You can't go wrong with shea butter. And there's no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, or however you say that. No propylene, no mineral oil, no animal testing, no petroleum. Okay, so all the stuff that you don't want in your beard is basically not in this box. Everything you want in your beard is in this box. So go ahead and purchase this box. All right, link is in the description. Thanks for watching. This the man, the Wealth Builder himself, signing off for my product review. Favorite beard kit. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.